Adobe Affiliate Program Review Usage Experience. Welcome to today's video, where I'll be reviewing the Adobe Affiliate Program and sharing my experience with it. If you're interested in signing up or learning more, check out the links in the description. Adobe is a global leader in creative software, offering products like Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, and Adobe Creative Cloud, making its affiliate program highly attractive for content creators, designers, and digital marketers. The Adobe Affiliate Program is managed through the Impact Network, offering commissions for referring new customers to Adobe's subscription-based services. The commission structure is 85% on the first month of a monthly subscription or 8.33% on annual plans. This means that while one-time commissions can be high, there are no recurring earnings after the initial sale. However, since Adobe's products are industry standards, conversion rates are generally strong, especially among professionals and businesses needing top-tier creative tools. The program provides marketing materials, deep linking options, and real-time tracking through the Impact dashboard. Affiliates can promote Adobe Creative Cloud, Adobe Stock, Acrobat Pro, and other software solutions. One of the biggest advantages is the brand trust Adobe has built over decades, making it easier to convert leads into sales. Additionally, the cookie duration is 30 days, giving you a reasonable window for earning commissions after a user clicks your link. A downside is that Adobe's pricing can be a barrier for some users, meaning you'll need to target an audience that understands the value of professional-grade software. Additionally, because the commission is only for the first payment, long-term passive income isn't an option, unlike some other subscription-based affiliate programs. Overall, the Adobe Affiliate Program is a solid choice for tech reviewers, creative professionals, and bloggers in the design and marketing niche. The strong brand reputation, high commission potential, and wide range of products make it a worthwhile program, especially if you have an audience interested in premium creative tools. If you're looking to monetize your content with a trusted brand, Adobe's affiliate program is worth considering. Check out the links in the description to sign up and start earning today.